Hi there, Holly McCann with House Flip Masters, doing a teardown of some staging in my Palm Springs condo today, so I thought I'd point out a few things so that you guys can have an inside look at what I do and why. One thing I point out is I try and keep a color scheme throughout. You'll see turquoise pillows, artwork, rug. You can see there's a turquoise drawer on my funky mid-century coffee table. Brought the color in here. I do height so that we're trying to fill the space, as well as brought in a couple of extra chairs. If all I had was a sofa, it would look kind of plain and boring and empty. So you want to fill the space. If you see back here, we have a couple of plants to kind of fill the space too, our fake plants. Got our table, we got bar stools. You want to be as complete as you can with the staging to fill the volume of the space. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button to be notified of future videos by me. Go to the website hardhatholly.com to get your free download on how to find houses to flip for profits.